I'm of the personal view, hindi dapat maging madali mag-impeach ng isang impeachable officer. Bakit po? Unang-una, iilan lang po sila sa ating bansa. Ombudsman, member of constitutional commissions, President, Vice President, Supreme Court. Hindi dapat madali dahil it's an extraordinary remedy in extraordinary circumstance not to penalize them, but para protektahan ng ating bansa at para nga po alisin sila sa equation if they will damage our country. So the difference po with this impeachment sa iba, at least the impeachment of President Estrada, President Arroyo, and again, may I be sensitive especially to my friends here, no, who are of that administration, was with us, against us, or like Senator Jingo and Senator JV. Yung feeling kasi doon is that if there was another day na hindi na-impeach, magagamit yung opisina na yon. Kasi presidente pinag-uusapan. Ganon din sa Chief Justice, na habang nandun ka, ma-impluensyan mo yung korte. Pero pag pinag-uusapan mo Vice President ngayon, wala naman siyang hawak na departamento, wala siyang hawak na agency, wala namang police, militar, NBI, Coast Guard, whatever under sa kanya. Yes, we should hold her accountable kung may ginawang mali. Dapat i-impeach pag may ginawang mali. Pero it's not true that today and tomorrow matters that much. Because wala naman siyang opisina na magagamit not only to cover her tracks or to damage the country. Di ba? In fact, I doubt kung walang perpetual disqualification yan, baka iba ang suma natin ngayon. But I don't want to go to the political aspect. The point I want to make, Mr. President, is para tayong nag-Goldilocks. Pag gusto natin yung i-impeach natin, so nung time na yon na gustong impeach si President Erap, padaliin natin. At kung hindi, walk out tayo. Oh. Kung kakampi mo si GMA, pahirapan natin. Kung kakampi mo si Duterte, pahirapan natin. Di ba? So, in that point, I see why the Supreme Court, they made a statement Nag-statement sila about history. Sabi ng Supreme Court, ito po, sa page 94, we understand our history. We have learned that in the past, momentary desires to do what is convenient and concede means to ends have inadvertently created precedents that weaken the succor of law for those who dissent, or those that are society's margins, or those who have fallen out of grace from the powers that be. We have learned that the clash of political interests in the past, often disguised by noble intentions, have obscured the need to address the real problems of corruption, inequality, poverty, and disempowerment faced by our people. Kung ito lang po ang sinabi nila, Mr. President, sasabihin kong hindi ba namumulitika yung korte? But sinabi nila to after page 93 na iniisa-isa nila paano mo i-impeach So parang nga tinuruan na ang Senado at saka House, gusto nyo impeach ang Vice President o sino man, sundin nyo lang to. Wala na kayong problema. So I think in that sense, Mr. President, it's a balanced decision.